Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Efia. I hope you all are doing well. Today I want to share with you how I made this delicious Ghanaian chocolate ice cream with you all. So join me as I share this amazing recipe with you. This Ghanaian chocolate ice cream recipe is being inspired by Getty's cook. She's doing so amazing on her channel, so kindly go and check her out and you are going to love her. Okay, so now let's get started. So to begin with, I'm going to start by cooking my flour. So I'm going to go ahead and add in some water to my pot, add in my 1 cup of all-purpose flour. I'll list everything I use in the description box for you to check it out. Now after adding in the flour to the water, mix it very well until you get no lumps in it. Make sure to stir this on medium heat to avoid it from cooking very fast. And to my lovely subscribers and new foodie members right here, you guys are too much. High five to everyone. Thank you for liking my videos, sharing and commenting on my videos. I am truly grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Okay, so now that the flour has taken up beautifully, I'll go in with 1 cup of evaporated milk. You can use any milk of your choice. To that, I'm also going to add in my sugar. And for flavor, I'll go in with some vanilla essence, and you can use any flavor at all. And I also twisted this recipe with banana flavor. If you have the fresh banana, why not go ahead and use it, and you are going to love it. And this took the ice cream taste to another level. A little amount of this goes a mile's way. So if you have this brand, make sure not to use too much because it will cause your ice cream to taste like banana only, and we don't want that. Okay, I'll go in with my chocolate powder and the salt to taste. Mix it all together until you have a very nice consistency. Alright, so after getting this consistency, I'll transfer it into my ice cream cups, and I'm going to freeze this for about 6 hours or 8 hours depending on how your refrigerator works. So after 8 hours of freezing this ice cream, it came out so good. As you can see, the color is really popping so well. And for the taste, is super delicious. I hope you're going to try this chocolate Ghanaian ice cream. You are going to love it. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed till this point, that means you are a proud foodie member. And if you haven't subscribed yet, why don't you subscribe and be part of this beautiful family? Thank you for watching.